morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about contrast of engineering project versus standard experiments. There is a contrast between experiments and the engineering projects. The first one we can see as the experimental control. In standard experiments, we are having a members can be selected as two groups A and B. The group A is given as a special treatment and the group B is given no treatment. It is called as the controlled group, but they placed in the same environment as other group A. This process is called as the experimental control. This is only applied in the field of medicine. In engineering, this won't happen except the project is confined to the laboratory experiments or medical related projects. So the clients are the consumers who choose the product. They have to exercise this control. It is not possible to make a random selection of participants from various groups. And the human touch. Engineering experiments involve human souls, their needs, views and expectations, and the creative use in the social experimentation. This point of view is not agreed by the many of the engineers, but the quality engineers and managers have fully realized this. And the informed consent, especially in the medical projects or a medical field, they need the consent from the patients. Suppose they are getting the data or any information from the patient, it is needed to get the consent from the corresponding peoples. Similarly, the engineering experimentation is also viewed as social experiment. So we are doing the experiments for beneficiary of the human beings. In this respect, it is similar to the medical experimentation on human beings. So in case of medical practice, moral and legal rights have been recognized while planning for experimentation. Informed consent is practiced in medical field. Such a practice is not there in the laboratory experiments, but informed consent has two basic elements. So consent is available for the real-time experiments or the projects. The informed consent is not there in the scientific laboratories. The two elements of the informed consent are knowledge and voluntariness. The knowledge, the subject should be given all relevant informations to make the design or to participation. Voluntariness means we should not force or we should not disrupt the patients or any persons for giving their volunteerness. So respect for rights of minorities, and we should not harm the others. And the consent must be voluntary, and all the relevant information should be present in the consent, or it should be stated clearly in the understandable form, and the consenter shall be capable of processing the information, and they have to take the decisions, and the subject's consent may be offered in proxy by a group that represents many subjects. So informed consents when bringing on engineering product to market, it implies the consumer should know the knowledge about the product, risk and benefits of using that product, or relevant information of the product. So all the information should be clearly mentioned. So this is the way the engineering experiments and the projects are have a contrast. First one is experimental control and human touch and the informed consent. Thank you.